For years, devotees entering Chennai's Madhya Kailash Temple had to climb down 8 steps to pray. Not because of design, but because the road level increased without being cold milled. That's about to change. Now, 12 structures, including the temple's Rajagopuram and Sanctum Sanctorums, are being carefully lifted by nearly 6 feet.
Right now, we are in the Madhya Kailash Temple. This is the heart of Tamil Nadu and heart of the Chennai. We are lifting this Madhya Kailash Temple. Why lifting is coming on for the Madhya Kailash Temple? Actually, day by day, two roads, one Sardar Patel Road and OMR Road is very high. So temple is nearly 6 feet down from the existing road level. So every raining season, very heavy water coming in the temple. So devotee is very difficult to do the puja and coming inside the temple. Temple authority to give authority to lifting this heritage temple of Tamil Nadu. Presently, our main temple, Vinayagar temple, 1 feet lifting is completed. So before that, our Ambal temple, Veera Anjana temple, and our Navgraha and our Shivan temple. This already we are 6 feet lifting is completed. Before lifting, there you see this corner is sitting in that level only. So we are lifting this temple nearly 7 feet height. So 7 feet lifting is completed. So after the lifting, we are introducing this concrete belt also. This wall thickness of the 3 feet thickness of this wall. So after lifting, we are using this belt beam. We are using red clay bricks. We are not using any flash bricks at all. This is very pakka quality red bricks we are using. And before lifting, we are introduced the one more beam in the foundation also. So double beam we are introduced the for the temple lifting. And now you see this, all the structure is very fine and very safe without any disturbance. All the doors are there, all the windows also there, and Gopuram also there. So all the temple structure will be very safe. So right now this temple is lifting is completed. This is the Navgraha temple, and we are introduced the double belt beam in the foundation. So this is Navgraha Mandapam. This also 7.5 feet, 7 feet 6 inches lifting is completed, and another work is going on.
The temple's thick 3 feet wide granite walls are being jacked up row by row, and engineers are adding a cement concrete beam below the structure to prevent it from sinking or tilting.
So for the future strengthening of the temple, we are introduced the double belt beam in this structure. Actually very heavy truck and heavy buses going on the 24 hours crossing in this OMR road. So for the future, temple will be sitting in the same place very perfectly without any cracks, without any tilting position. So we are introduced the double belt beam. First we are introduced the raft in all the temple. So raft will be helpful for this compound. So no shaking in the foundation. And second is we are making this additional concrete belt beam.
Right now is 5 temple work is going on, including Madhya Kailash, Ravishwara Vaisarpadi, Someshwara in Panruti, and Koilabakam Shri Bala Gurunatha Swami temple is going on right now.
If we construction a new temple like this Madhya Kailash temple, so this will be coming near to 5 to 6 CR. So right now if we are lifting this temple only, this will be coming only 1 CR. So this is a very effective technique for the save our temples because cost saving and time also. If we are damage any demolition any building, so air pollution will be coming. Time also this will be going, and water also very heavy uses. But in the temple lifting, building lifting, in 25% ratio we can complete our work with extra support also.
Built with the guidance of Mahaperiyava Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati, the temple hosts over 13,000 Shraddha rituals every year, with Lord Ganesha himself believed to preside over them.